What, sir? What happened? What is the thumbnail? Saying crush, love. What's the matter? See, in this video, I'll bring out the lover boy in you. Let me explain. So, recently, I've been seeing certified copies of CA Inter and CA Final students, especially audit. In the MCQs, for 30 marks, students are getting 25, 26, 24, like this, they are getting. That's fine. Coming to the descriptive of 70 marks, they are getting 11 marks, 12 marks. Some students, they are even getting single digits, 8 marks, 9 marks. What is this? Lot of students, they were getting single digits in theory, especially with respect to audit. I have seen the papers, why these people, they are getting these single digits. If they are getting 25, 26 like this in MCQs, it doesn't mean that they are not having any concept. They are very well, very perfect with the concept. That's why they are getting that many marks in MCQs. But coming to the theory part, they are not able to score. So I have gone through the papers, how they have wrote the answers. I have gone through all the students, they are writing the points correctly only. Most of the students, they were writing the correct points only. But for 5 marks, they were getting 2, 3, like this they were getting. So if I observed, what I found out is they are not properly presenting the answers. Sir, proper presentation of answers, what does that mean? See, let's say for example, you are liking a particular person, and in order to accept your love, you need to impress them, right? Only if you impress them, they'll accept. Otherwise, they won't accept. In the examination also, the person who is correcting, who is valuing your paper, he should be your crush. So your crush should be the valuationer. The person who is valuing your paper should be your crush, and you need to impress this valuer. How will you impress? Through your answer sheet, right? You will impress your crush through a love letter, right? Here, through your answer sheet, you have to impress your valuationer. Only if your valuationer gets impressed through your answers, you will get good marks. Otherwise, of course, your valuationer will not like you and he will fail you. That's what happening with most of the students. Now, if you are writing a love letter, how carefully you will write it. So you will be very careful with your words. So you will frame your language, you will frame your wordings in such a way that the other person to whom you are giving, they should get impressed, whether she or he might get should get impressed through your love letter. That's how you will frame, that's how you will write your love letter. But coming to your answer sheet, you are just scribbling it like anything. There is no proper structure, there is no proper format. You are literally in hurry. Some students, they are literally in hurry while writing the answers. So here I will be telling you how you should present your answers. See, concept, everyone will read the concepts and everyone they will write the answers, but writing them in a correct manner will give you more marks. See, if you write the answer normally, for 5 marks you might get 3 marks or 4 marks. But you should write the answer in such a way that the valuationer should allot you 5 out of 5. So how many marks that answer is for, that entire marks he should allot. So in that manner, you need to, in such a way, you need to impress the valuationer. So how you can impress the valuationer? You follow this simple trick that I am going to tell you, for sure you will not even lose even 1 mark also if you follow this trick. So what is the trick, sir? You need to divide your answer into 4 parts. So whatever the answer you are writing, you write it in 4 parts that I am going to tell you. So firstly, you need to start your answer with the first part, facts of the case. You should just write down the, see, nowadays all the questions the ICI is giving are in the form of case study, right? Some half a page, full page of a case study you will get. So you pick up the facts from that question and write some 3 to 4 lines facts of the case. This should be your first part of the answer. Next, you write down the provisions applicable or applicable provisions. So for the given case, for the given question, which provisions are applicable? See, if it is CARO, if it is professional ethics in case of CA final students, you write down that clause as it is. And from, if it is from auditing standards, you name the standard number and standard name along with the text of the auditing standard in this particular second part. So this way you are impressing the valuationer. You are not in a hurry, you are showing the answer to the valuationer in a step by step format, so it becomes easy for the valuationer also to grasp your answer. Next, so once you write down the applicable provision, next part comes analysis. So in this analysis, what you should do, you need to apply this particular provision to the facts of the case and analyze the situation in this third part. And fourth part, you will give your conclusion. See, conclusion, you need to conclude in just 2 or 3 lines, or try to conclude in just 1 line, because all the required analysis you have already given in the analysis part. So conclusion should be as much short as possible. So these are the 4 steps in which you need to frame your answer. So this will impress the valuationer like anything. If you frame all of your answers in this particular format, believe me, you will get full marks. You will never get single digits in theory, especially in case of audit. So you should think your valuationer as your crush and your answer paper as a love letter, and you need to write your answer paper in such a way that by seeing the answer paper, your valuationer, he allots you full marks. He should not even think of deducting 1 mark or 2 marks. In that manner, in such a fashion, you need to present the answer. Getting it? So this is how you can impress your crush. So if you feel that this video is useful to you, let me know in the comment section by saying the best answer presentation. So let me know in the comment session comment section by putting this comment if you like this video and if you feel this video will be useful to you. See, believe me, if you follow this uh, pattern, for sure you will get, see, for 5 marks at least 4 marks you will get, but not 3 or 2. Getting it? Yes. All the best.